Okay, my name is Zarkarova. I'm working here at the University of Wolverhampton as a lecturer in water engineering. So I'm a water engineer by training. So I graduated from the University of Architecture and Civil Engineering in St. Petersburg in Russia, where my primary research was devoted to the stormwater disposal and treatment. Obviously, stormwater management is a broad subject, but as regards the subject of chemistry in particular, I'm interested in analyzing the potential hazard and risk in natural water posed by metals in urban runoff. So basically metals can be in two forms, particulate and dissolved, and what we are trying to do, we are trying to analyze their part in dissolved and particulate form, their concentrations. So basically what we do, we will introduce filtration, microfiltration through the 0.45 pore micron. Why we are doing this? Because metals in their dissolved form could be very persistent and they could be very toxic for both aquatic and human life. So this is a very hot topic. I finished ordinary secondary school in Moldavia, and then I went to study in St. Petersburg, and water chemistry was just a part of a degree. And after I obtained my degree, I worked I worked as a research fellow at several universities successively, at Loughborough itself, at the University of Birmingham, Manchester University, when I was researching hand in hand with my knowledge of water chemistry. And in 2018 I joined the University of Wolverhampton. Well, I think chemistry is important in everyday life because everything is made up of chemicals, and many changes around us we observe, which we observe, they are caused by chemical reactions. For example, cooking food and keeping one's body and surroundings clean. Well, they are two very quick and basic examples from everyday life which demonstrate my above mentioned point. Thus, a knowledge of chemistry can help you to stay safe, for example, and more importantly, a good knowledge of chemistry will help you to understand the world around you. Well, I think, for those who have decided to bind their future careers with the chemistry, will gain a number of things, because chemistry teaches useful skills. It's a science, and it helps one to learn how to solve problems and how to be objective. Well, obviously, if you like chemistry, what you could do, you could follow several options like forensic science, environmental science, biochemistry. Several of them, and nearly all of them, they are teachers from very different areas: maths, chess, religious science, opera singers, ballet dancers. So I always follow those who do not surrender and keep going, no matter how challenging it could be. And these are qualities which I'm trying to pass on to my female students.